Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn Computer Step by Step. We have already completed one series of Computer Basic. This is the second series of MS Word which will cover basics and advanced Word. We have also started with the third series of Basic, Intermediate and Advanced Excel. This series is available in English language, but it will be also introduced in Gujarati language. We'll teach one new topic every day. So let us start with the new topic of MS Word. So friends, we are going to start with the very first lecture of our new series Microsoft Word. As you remember, we had done editor concept in our basics of computer series where I explain you there are lakhs of software available in the market, but they are divided into broad these 5 categories. Okay, the first category is word processor editor. I said at that time, in order to run successfully computer, you need to learn minimum these 3 categories: word processor, spreadsheet, and DTP. And within that, you have to learn at least one software. So today we are going to start with the first software of word processor editor category, that is Microsoft Word. Okay, it is one of the most popular word processor editor which does all paragraph types of job. Paragraph types of job means reports, letters, story, notes, memo, agreements, agenda, and minutes. All this thing can be created in Microsoft Word. So let us learn how to create all these documents. So let us go to Microsoft Word and understand how we can use Word and what is the Word as a word processor editor. So this is the screen of Microsoft Word. The very first lecture that we are going to take is component of MS Word. Pakkadpana of MS Word. What are the components which will help us in operating MS Word? Okay. Every file that you open in Microsoft Word is known as document. How document is made up of? I'll go here, I'll give you example, file, and I'll say new and blank. As soon as I say that, you can see here we get document Word. This is the first blank file open in Microsoft Word. Every file in Word is known as document. Okay. Now what is this all? This is completely known as Microsoft Word editor, which allows us to create different documents. What can we create is, we can create, we can save, we can print documents. What can we do in documents? We can format it, we can insert pictures, we can insert text, symbols. That is what is we can do it in Microsoft Word. So let us see how can we do that. For that, what we need to do is, we need to understand the every component of Microsoft Word. The first part is menu. Okay, this is what is menu bar: home, insert, draw, file, and there are different menus. Okay, whenever you click any menu, you get this toolbars over here. This is home toolbar. If I click to insert, you will see the whole toolbar will change. You can see everything has changed over here. If I click mailing, I get the mailing toolbar. If I go to design, I get design toolbar. So this is the most popular home toolbar. Okay, home menu. This is technically known as ribbon. This is technically known as ribbon. We have two types of rulers over here. This is horizontal ruler, and here we have a vertical ruler. Okay, what is the use of ruler that we are going to learn in detail in page setup. Then we have application area. This whole area is known as application area. This white portion is known as application area. I'll reduce it from the zoom bar. Okay, so this is whole document we have. This is the one document. Okay, white portion is known as document. I'll take you to the new document. Okay, this is whole area is known as document. Document area is again divided into two parts. Let me type something. I'll put some dummy information. You can go in, you can see that the line falls down, which is known as word wrap. I'll put full stop. I'll go with second paragraph now. Okay. Now you can see that as soon as I start typing from when I reach here, it drops from here. This is known as word wrap. It is trying to create multiple lines paragraph. Cursor, the area, this point that blinks is known as cursor. Okay. Now you can see this, I cannot carry this cursor to this area and this area. So what is this area? This is technically known as margin area. This is the top margin, this is the left margin, this is the right margin. Again we need to go to page setup, so we'll cover up all this thing in page setup lecture. Okay, so this area from where I can type or where cursor can go is known as actual application area. So this is actual application area. I'm deliberately typing something so that I can get multiple pages. This is the first page. We can see that this is now second page. Okay. The second component that we need to understand is this is vertical scroll bar. Okay. This is vertical scroll bar. If your pager is much bigger, you can also see that you have now horizontal scroll bar. Okay. It allows us to scroll, move the documents from one area to second area, from up to down. Okay, this is the use of scroll bar. Okay, you can move directly from here also by dragging it. Okay, or you can click in between and make fast jump for scrolling. So that is what is the scroll bar. This is status bar. Okay, in status bar here you get the status of the document. The document is made up of 2 pages and I am on second page. You can see if I go up, it will now make it 1 of 2. That is, I am on first page of 2-page document. I have typed 410 words. I am using currently English language. So it gives the status of the document. Over here, I have zoom bar. I can increase or decrease the zoom level of the document. Okay, that is zoom bar. So this area is known as zoom bar, and I have certain shortcut for different layout. We'll see layout in the few other lectures. So this is what is how document can be operated. Okay, so this is the component of MS Word. We have seen menu, toolbars, rulers, application area, scroll bar and status bar. You also need to remember few commonly used shortcut keys. Okay, Control C, Control X, Control V, Control Z. They are usually used for frequently used commands, okay, which are required very frequently. Control C is for copy, Control X is for cut, paste. These are very common shortcut keys which we need to remember always. Okay, so this is all are the shortcut keys. So this was the beginning of Word. We have learned what are the different components of MS Word using which we are going to do all paragraph types of jobs. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video and understand this topic very well. Your suggestions and comments are very important to us. The basic purpose of creating this channel is to promote IT education to the students and public in general. We request you to suggest this channel to all your family and friends and also to subscribe. I hereby thanks all my IT support staff and especially to Gurukul management who had encouraged me in promoting this online education platform. So now we meet with new topic, new video next time. Till then, thank you again.